Hello Pisces, how are you all today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to Teresa's Readings. I am Teresa. So today we are here to do your September 1st through 15th, 2019 general reading. I hope you guys are doing very, very well. I wanted to remind everybody that I do live micro readings every Tuesday night right here on this channel at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, I do live all signs love readings for the week if you're interested in stopping by. Also, I did upload a new channel. It's called Teresa's Take. And I did release my first video. It is me putting makeup on and talking about a particularly interesting, kind of weird house cleansing that I did. So all the information for all of that I just spoke of is in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. Okay, let's do it, Pisces. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I have my tarot deck here, and let's do Pisces. We'll ask David, my guide, Spirit, and the universe to please give us the correct and true messages for Pisces for September 1st through 15th, 2019. For Pisces, for general reading for September 1st through 15th, 2019. Now let's cut, because I'm feeling it for this one. Let's cut the deck. It popped in my mind. I don't do it that often. But when it pops in there, I think I'm supposed to do it. Okay? Look what's on the bottom of the deck. The the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups. Somebody may be coming. I'm shuffling. Ready? Let's do it. Okay. Okay. You have the Hierophant in the reverse, Pisces. And you have the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. Let's see what else we got here. What else for Pisces? The Ten of Cups in reverse. What's going on, Pisces? The King of Wands. Or the King. I can't speak today, you guys. The Knight of Wands charging in at you. The Knight of Pentacles. What's happening? It's going to be about love. I can tell you that. Even my generals sometimes are about love. Then we have the Four of Swords and the Ten of Swords in reverse. Finally getting closure over something. Again, please. Okay. Pisces. We have the Hierophant in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Ten of Cups in reverse. I feel like some of my Pisces out there has recently gone through a breakup of some kind. But we're going to clarify. But I'm just going to show y'all. Then I have the Knight of Wands. Somebody coming at you. And the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody else. But one's like coming towards you at the speed of light like a rocket. And the other one is slow and steady. Right? Then I have the Four of Swords. Perhaps you're stuck about this. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Good thing about that, something's that has come to an end is finally completing the cycle. And then lastly, trying to get the stinking camera to focus. The Six of Cups. Somebody coming at you again. I have a feeling this is for my recently broken up Pisces out there. I really, really do. But let's clarify. Why is the Hierophant here? Yeah, I think that you broke up with somebody or they broke up with you and you just don't want to work at it anymore. Or you don't, or they don't. You want to work on yourself. Why? Because clarifying that Hierophant in reverse, I get the Eight of Pentacles reverse and the Queen of Pentacles in the upright. I feel like, now again, take what applies and leave the rest behind. If nothing does, then just throw the whole thing away. But with the Hierophant in reverse, to me, Hierophant is commitment. I feel like somebody's either divorced or broken up or something like that. And either you or them, again, it could be for you, it could be for the cross-watcher or the person that you're dealing with, does not want to work at it anymore. They just want to focus on themselves, or you just want to focus on yourself and your prosperity and nurturing yourself and taking care of yourself right now. Why is the Wheel of Fortune here in the negative, David? Yep. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. That is this particular psychic's true partner card, but it's in the reverse. I see a big, it was a big breakup, a big life-altering breakup. King of Cups, there you are. Yep. I feel like, or I'm channeling, that you guys felt at one time like this person was your true partner. Your true partner. Popped out of there. You walked away. Or they did. 8 of Cups. It's matured you. It's that karmic, I mean, this is the King of Cups here. I mean, that deep, deep, mature water sign. It may have been one of those karmic lessons that you had to learn in order to get to that deeply mastered water sign that you've turned out to be. But you walked away. Or they did. Okay. 10 of Cups in reverse. 10 of Cups in reverse, please. Yeah. That's my Even Steven card, and that's what you're looking for. I think one of you guys in this reading, I feel like one just gave, you gave, and they took, or vice versa. It was not even with this card for me in this one. Card of Libra. Could be a Libra you're dealing with. It was toxic. Could also be a Capricorn you're dealing with, but I feel more the energy of the toxicity, right? And I think you either charged in the other direction, or we're going to find out. Maybe somebody else charged you. Why is the Knight of Wands here? Oh, ooh, I'm not taking that. It's too many. Hold on, let's look and see. No, too many. Don't get me wrong, some good cards in there, but it's just too many. So, I think if I can pick it up. Victory, the 6 of Wands. You left. You left. And you weren't stuck anymore. That's the Hangman. You kind of like waited, or they did, whichever one applies, kind of waited to see if it was going to work itself out or not, but it didn't. And you left in victory. I think that this Knight of Swords is you charging the heck out of there, or them charging the heck out of there. And victory, and getting past it, you know, not being stuck in that situation anymore. Then we have the Knight of Pentacles. See how things change when you start clarifying, right? Because for a minute I thought maybe 2 people. We're going to find out. Knight of Pentacles. Did you see that? It flipped up and landed right on Knight of Pentacles. The Death card. Death card. Something coming to an end and a new beginning. Could be a Scorpio also that you're dealing with. My Pisces. Give me some more information about this Knight of Pentacles and the Death card. Again, right on top of it. Somebody's watching you. And they're going to slowly come towards you. They've been waiting for this relationship to end. They've been waiting for it to die in order to come towards you. It's like, and I don't want it to sound stalkerish, because I don't think it's stalkerish. I think it's just that they've always kind of had their eye on you, but knew that you were in a relationship and was like, well, you know, I'm not doing that. So, you know, they've always kind of had some kind of affinity or an affection toward you. And, you know, I think it's somebody that you know, could be friends with, friend of a friend, somebody, acquaintance or somebody. And they've always kind of been like, well, you know, if they ever get free, I'm going to slowly make my way to them. I'm just going to kind of, you know, I don't feel a stalker energy, you guys. I don't. I feel like they just always found you attractive. And now that that relationship that died, the death has come to that relationship that you walked away from. I mean, I think they've been kind of watching you on social media with this Page of Swords and everything. They may even contact you on social media, like after hearing about it, and say, hey, what's up? How you doing? May text you, may call you, Snapchat you, Twitter you, Instagram you, however it is, right? Okay, but you're kind of like stagnant right now, you know? After going through all of that, you're like, I'm just going to sit here and rest a minute and just live in my own space, right, Pisces? Right on top of it. Closure. You're getting close. You knew what you wanted and you walked away. It was emotional, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't dramatically emotional. I mean, you were like, you did it the right way. Okay? And after this period of, you know, being stuck and stagnant, you know, you're getting closure, or you've gotten closure. Why is the world here? Yep. 5 of Wands in reverse. You're finally over the conflict, not only internally, but within that relationship, okay? I think maybe somebody, you know, you felt like betrayed, or somebody, or something, or they did. Something may happen. Let's find out. Why is it 10? Temperance. Maybe a Sagittarius or a Sagittarian energy. I think you were patient. I think that in some way, shape, or form, you felt betrayed, or they felt betrayed some way. But the full circle, right, coming to an end and getting past it, learning that, you know, patience and Michael looking out over you, and patience and loving and generosity is the way to go. And finally figuring out exactly what you want with this Queen of Wands here. The Queen of Wands knows exactly what she wants. She does not hesitate. She does what has to be done, and she does it the correct way, and it's finished. Okay, and you figured that out. Then we've got the 6 of Cups. Wonder if this has anything to do with this Knight of Pentacles over here. Why is the 6 of Cups? Because they're watching you and stuff. They've kind of been waiting. Why is the 6 of Pentacles here? What was that? I kid you not. I can't. I thought I saw the King of Pentacles. There may be an earth sign or earth energy. I mean, could be, you know, again, this is sun, moon, and rising for this particular. It could be somebody. It doesn't matter. The point is they're extremely interested in you, and they're pretty stinking abundant too. I mean, in life in general, friends, money, job, work, career. I think this person from the past here that's going to come towards you, I think it's the same as this one right here. I think that they've had their eye on you for a hot minute. You guys let me know, okay? Same person, I think. Finally going to let it be known that they would like to date you, because they're going to bring you that cup of love. Reach out to you, right? Same thing as I said right here with this page. They're going to like text you, you know, call, whatever, and reach out to you. That's the Marrying King too, by the way. I know, you just got out of a relationship. I know, I'm just saying, okay? Why is the King of Pentacles here? Oh, look, you're going to recognize that this is a gift from the divine. The 4 of Cups in reverse. 4 of Cups in the upright speaks of boredom and not paying attention. The Magician was also in there. It could be a Virgo or a Gemini that's coming at you. But you're going to approach this extremely wisely with this Magician here. Okay? You're going to recognize that this person is like a divine cup sent. A cup sent from the divine is what I'm trying to say, you guys. But they're wise, and you are going to be wise about going about getting involved, but I think you will. Interesting. Here comes the stinking train, you guys. Here comes the train. Okay, so I also, if I can pick them up, have a simple answer oracle cards. Let's just see what they have to say. David, please. David, here they come. Is that a train? It's not honking its horn. Maybe it's just a big truck, you guys. Okay, so messages and advice for my Pisces for September 1st through 15th, 2019. Please, David, Spirit, and Universe. Messages, please, for Pisces for September 1st through 15th, 2019. Oh! Well, there's 2 for you. I saw another one flip over in here. Yeah, no, we're good. Okay. So let's see. And one fell on the ground, Pisces. Let's see. That's funny. Here it comes. You're not afraid. That's because you get to that point where you're smart, you're wise, you know. This all has come to the King of Cups and the Magician part, right? Open your heart. Love your body. We all have those moments, right? And put others first. I think that you may even possibly get into some kind of charitable works, and that is putting that whole others first thing. I have the my Pisces, they're such lovely, beautiful individuals that you pretty much do that anyway. And I think that you're going to do it even more. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this reading, Pisces. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with all your friends if you want. If you subscribe, or if you're a subscriber that's been here for some time, or a new subscriber, or someone that's thinking about subscribing, yay! Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. If you like to be notified when I upload new videos, all you have to do is tap the bell button next to the subscription button, and YouTube, I can't talk today at all, YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new videos, which is almost every day. I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful beginning to your September, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye.